How to find budget reservation FAQs fast. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open budget.com/en/customer care/FAQ/global/reservation, and it will lead you to this page. Here, on the left side, you'll find all the options, and on the right side, you'll find all the solutions. You can simply click on it to expand it. Here you'll find your options. Then these are for reservation, cancellation, and if you want other options on the left side, you can click on payment method and you'll find payment options. And if you want other options, you can also click on it on the left side. And then you can click on the star icon at the top right. After you click on the star icon at the top right, it will be added to the bookmark and it will be easier for you to find this page later. This is how to find budget reservation FAQs fast. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.